A looming question: how do we feed the world? The world's population is growing, and with it, the demand for food, especially meat, is skyrocketing. Traditional animal agriculture, the way we've produced meat for centuries, is struggling to keep up. This demand puts immense pressure on our planet's resources. Land, water, and energy are being stretched thin. The environmental consequences are impossible to ignore. Raising livestock for meat is resource-intensive. Vast tracts of land are cleared for grazing, contributing to deforestation. Livestock produces a significant amount of methane, a potent greenhouse gas accelerating climate change. The waste generated by these animals pollutes water sources and soil. The current system is simply unsustainable in the long run. Imagine a world where meat is grown, not raised. This is the promise of lab-grown meat, also known as cultured meat. It is produced by cultivating animal cells in a controlled laboratory environment. Instead of raising and slaughtering animals, we can grow only the meat we need, reducing the ethical and environmental burdens of traditional agriculture. The process begins with a small sample of animal cells, typically obtained through a harmless biopsy. These cells are placed in a nutrient-rich growth medium that mimics the conditions inside an animal's body. Over time, the cells multiply and differentiate, forming muscle tissue that can be harvested and processed into various meat products. Lab-grown meat raises ethical questions. While it eliminates the need to slaughter animals for food, the initial cell samples are still derived from animals. Additionally, some people question the idea of consuming meat grown in a lab, finding it, unnatural. However, proponents argue that this technology has the potential to be more humane and sustainable than traditional animal agriculture. Rigorous safety testing is crucial to ensure the safety of lab-grown meat for human consumption. Regulatory agencies worldwide are working to establish clear guidelines and standards for this new industry. The environmental benefits of lab-grown meat are compelling. It requires significantly less land, water, and energy compared to traditional meat production. Greenhouse gas emissions are drastically reduced. The risk of animal-borne diseases is minimized, improving food safety. Lab-grown meat offers a way to feed a growing population without further straining our planet's resources. The cost of producing lab-grown meat has decreased significantly in recent years. As technology advances and production scales up, it is expected to become increasingly affordable. The economic implications are far-reaching. Lab-grown meat has the potential to disrupt the traditional meat industry, creating new jobs and markets. Numerous companies and research institutions worldwide are dedicated to advancing lab-grown meat technology. They are working to improve production efficiency, reduce costs, and develop a wider variety of meat products. These pioneers are driven by a shared vision of a more sustainable and ethical food system. Lab-grown meat is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It is a reality that is rapidly approaching our plates. While challenges remain in terms of consumer acceptance, cost, and regulation, the potential benefits are too significant to ignore. As technology continues to evolve and consumer awareness grows, lab-grown meat is poised to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of food. It's a future where we can enjoy the taste of meat without compromising the health of our planet.